You can also generate out plasma effect inside of Shotcut. So to do that, first of all, you need to go around, click on open other, and then click on plasma and press OK, and this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to go around and change around the values right here, then it changes around how the plasma is generated. You can go around into move right here just like this, and you can see that it actually changes around how the plasma is generated. Let me just pause this around and bring this out onto the timeline right here, and you can see that the plasma is here. Now on the under project right here, you can press play and you can see that this is how the plasma is. So you can see that there's a subtle movement right here just like this because of the values that we kept. Let me just delete this out right here and go to open other, click on plasma. So you can predefine the values according to how you want as well. And most of this is random in the beginning, so you do need to actually know what you're doing right here and get used to what kind of effect will be generated as you go along. Press OK and you can see that this is the plasma that you have. So you can simply delete this out and then just generate out another plasma if you are not happy. So I'm just going to go around right here. So let's say I just want to change around the speed this time, and this is what you have. So now you can bring the effect out over here in timeline and start working around with it, as you can see right here. So that is how you can add in plasma inside of Shotcut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.